Imagine waking up to a home that's already brewing your coffee, has your favorite morning news ready, and has adjusted the thermostat just right for you. To the world of smart homes, a place where technology is integrated into every nook and cranny, bringing convenience and efficiency to your fingertip, like having a personal assistant, security guard, and entertainment system, all rolled into one, working round the clock to make your life simpler, safer, and more fun. Intrigued? Let's dive deeper into the smart home universe. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Gadget Glow Up. Today, we're diving into the marvelous realm of smart homes, where convenience meets efficiency. Get ready for a tech-savvy transformation of your everyday space. Are you ready to transform your living space? Let's get started. Before we dive into the gadgets, let's understand the basics of a smart home. Imagine a home that is not only cozy and inviting, but also intelligent, responsive, and efficient. That's what a smart home is all about. At the heart of this high-tech haven is the Smart Hub, a magical device that connects all your smart gadgets, allowing them to work in harmony. Think of it as the conductor of your home's tech orchestra. Now, let's talk about Wi-Fi connectivity. Your smart hub and devices are only as good as your Wi-Fi. To ensure smooth operation, a reliable and robust Wi-Fi connection is key. And remember, even the smartest homes need to prioritize privacy and security. Ensure your chosen smart hub and devices have robust security measures in place, and educate household members and guests about using these devices responsibly. With these basics in mind, you're ready to embark on your smart home journey. The heart of your smart home is the hub. It's the control center that connects all your devices. Think of it as the conductor of your very own technological symphony, coordinating a beautiful harmony of smart gadgets. Now, when it comes to choosing your smart hub, there are a few big names you've probably heard of: Google Home, Amazon Alexa, and Apple HomeKit. Each of these has its own unique features and strengths. Google Home is known for its excellent compatibility with a wide range of devices, and it's particularly loved for its superb search functionalities. It's like having your own personal Google search engine at your beck and call. Then there's Amazon Alexa. Alexa's strength lies in its extensive skill set. With thousands of skills to choose from, it's like having a Swiss Army knife of smart hubs. And of course, who can forget the seamless shopping experience with Amazon? Apple HomeKit, on the other hand, is a favorite among Apple loyalists. It offers tight integration with Apple devices and services, with a focus on privacy and security. If you're a fan of Siri and have a house full of Apple devices, HomeKit might just be your perfect match. But wait, there's more. Alternative options like Home Assistant or Samsung's SmartThings offer flexibility and customization that some tech enthusiasts might appreciate. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer here. Each smart hub has its own strengths and limitations. So, the key is to think about your needs, your existing devices, and how you want to use your smart home. Remember, choose a hub that best fits your lifestyle and device preferences. Your smart home should work for you, not the other way around. So take your time, do your research, and make an informed decision. After all, you're not just choosing a smart hub, you're choosing the heart of your future smart home. Now, let's talk about the stars of the show, the smart devices. These are the essential gadgets that transform your home into a smart, efficient, and interactive space. First off, we have the living room, the heart of every home. Here, a smart speaker, such as Google Home or Amazon Alexa, is a must-have. These friendly, voice-activated helpers can play your favorite tunes, update you with the latest news, or even tell a joke or two, all while you're lounging on your couch. Next, let's move to the overall house. To maintain the perfect temperature, you need a smart thermostat. Brands like Nest or Ecobee allow you to control your home's heating and cooling remotely, so you can turn up the heat before you arrive home on a chilly day, or cool things down during a summer heat wave, all from your smartphone. Now, let's illuminate the possibilities with smart lighting. With options like Philips Hue or LIFX, you can control the brightness, color, and timing of your lights, room by room. You can set the mood for a movie night in the living room, a relaxing bath in the bathroom, or a peaceful sleep in the bedroom. In the kitchen, smart appliances like fridges, ovens, and coffee machines can make your life easier. Imagine your coffee machine brewing a fresh pot as soon as your alarm goes off, or your oven preheating itself just in time for dinner. And let's not forget security. With smart locks and cameras, you can monitor your home from anywhere, ensuring your peace of mind. Remember, these are just examples. The beauty of a smart home is that it's customizable. You can mix and match devices to suit your needs, preferences, and budget. These gadgets are just the start. The possibilities with smart devices are endless. Setting up your smart home can seem daunting, but don't worry, we've got some tips and tricks for you. First on the list, ensure your Wi-Fi is up to speed. It's the backbone of your smart home, so make sure it's reliable. Next up, take the time to educate your family members on how to use the devices. This will save you from tech support duties later on. And lastly, don't forget about security. Regularly update your devices and change those passwords. With these tips, you're well on your way to smart home success. You've taken your first step into the world of smart homes. The journey is just beginning. With a world teeming with gadgets and ecosystems, it's time to experiment, to dive in, and to discover the convenience and efficiency waiting at your fingertips. We'd love to hear about your own smart home experiences or challenges. Remember, the smart home universe is vast and ever evolving. Enjoy the journey and keep exploring.